Welcome back to the channel, and thanks for joining me today. In this video, I will show you how to enable the search toolbar in VIA browser on your mobile phone. This feature makes searching faster and more convenient, especially as your daily browser. First, open VIA browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-line menu icon. Then, tap on Settings to access the browser configuration options. Inside the Settings page, find and tap on General. Inside Settings, find and tap on Search Settings. Next, find the option called Search Toolbar and tap on it to view its controls. Then, enable the Search Toolbar by checking the Enable Search Toolbar option. Finally, go back to the main browser screen, and you should now see the Search Toolbar enabled and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.